So what we're doing today at the Rodriguez's house is we're encapsulating their crawl space. I guess a good way to describe it is it's kind of like a pool liner that goes underneath the house. It's going to allow us to maintain a relative humidity below about 50%. It's going to protect against mold and mildew and protect the wood members. So we're installing several products today. We're encapsulating, we're installing some drainage, and we're installing a dehumidifier. So one of the things that happens in about 2 to 5% of the crawl space we encapsulate is what people describe as a cat pee smell. So we're going to be installing some passive vents in this encapsulation to allow some air migration from under the liner to make sure that we don't experience that phenomenon. The warranty on the encapsulation material is 25 years against any rips, tears, or punctures. The warranty on the mechanical equipment, dehumidifier and sump pump, is 3 years, and the warranty on the drainage is life of the structure. So once we're finished with this installation, Fred and Chrissy can be confident that the relative humidity underneath their crawl space is going to be controlled, the wood members are going to be protected, and it's going to be an environment that's difficult for mold and mildew to grow.